and it didn't. And so the PNP finds itself out in the wilderness, political wilderness, for an additional 5 years, which means that they would, at the end of this, be in opposition for 15 years. Now, one of the most damaging strategic failures has been the PNP's inability, to my mind, or its unwillingness to control its own political narrative. Now, what we have seen as we enter this third term, or the opening stanzas of the third term of the Jamaica Labour Party's governing of the country, is that they have successfully painted the PNP into a corner, right? They've successfully branded the PNP, and if you're paying attention, you would have seen this in the course of certainly the last 3-4 years leading up to the election, that second term. They successfully branded the PNP as fiscally irresponsible, economically reckless, soft or incoherent on crime, and led by a figure, the pigeonholing of Mark Golding, as being led by a figure who was disconnected from the real Jamaica. Now, these labels, whether you want to consider them fair or not, they've been allowed to calcify in the public imagination with a minimal amount of rebuttal from the PNP itself. And so it comes down to the question of leadership optics and racial bias with respect to this whole pigeonholing of Golding. Mark Golding's leadership exposes an uncomfortable but unavoidable truth for the People's National Party and in Jamaica's politics, and that truth is about race, class, and it essentially is saying that race, class, and historical memory still matters to our